Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to invite your friend to join your Discord server. So let's start. First, open the Discord app. When the app opens, it will land you on your server's inbox. On this page you will see an option to invite your friends on your server. You can tap on here and then invite your friends. But there is other way. Now tap on three bars on top left corner. Then tap on invite members. Now there are two ways you can invite. One is by sharing the link. At the bottom of the screen you will find that option. Now tap on the settings icon to customize the link options. You can customize as you like. When you are done, tap on create link and then tap on share link. And you can share the link via Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, Twitter and more. And the other way is to tap on the invite button just beside your friend's username. And these are the ways you can invite your friend to join your Discord server. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.